Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome not responding. So if Google Chrome is not responding, then in this video I'm going to show you guys an easy way in order to fix that. So I'm currently using a Mac, however it will be exactly the same over on Windows. All you're going to need to do is open Task Manager, or on Mac it's called Activity Manager. Once you've done that, you will get something like this, a screen which is all of your activities. So mine is going to load in right now, as you guys can see. And now if Google Chrome is just simply not loading, what I always do, because I have this issue a lot, what I simply do is go to Google Chrome Helper. So you want to not close Google Chrome, because we want to use that. What we're going to do is we're going to look at all of those side Google Chrome. So we have Google Chrome Helper, Google Chrome Helper, Google Chrome Helper, Google Chrome Helper. What you're simply going to do is go to all of the Google Chrome helpers and then the renders. So don't close these CPU ones, don't close any other ones, just go and head over to Google Chrome helper and then render and just double click on that, or on Windows you can just end it. And what you then need to do is click on quit, just like on this, and click on force quit, and this will not basically end Google Chrome. It will literally just keep Google Chrome open just like it is. Nothing will happen. However, it will free up a lot of space. And if Google Chrome is not responding or it's extremely laggy, then by doing this we'll fix like 99% of all the issues you are having with Google Chrome, because you are basically just ending some extensions that are running in the background that you are currently not using. So just go to Google Chrome Helper Render and just quit all of those right here. Nothing will happen, like I said. And literally like that, your Google Chrome should be responding again. And like I said, this will work over on Windows as well. And that's literally all you need to do. So if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.